Hello friends, welcome back again to this amazing channel Tech, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get your CashApp account in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. As CashApp has changed its security last year, so that's why it is very hard to create a CashApp account right now. So you need a private method to create a CashApp account. It's my Tech store. If you wanna buy anything from me, then you can contact me on my Instagram or WhatsApp. So here is the screen of my phone. You can see this is my setup. I create a lot of accounts and I have been selling these kind of accounts from last 7 years or so. Okay, so you can see that it's my setup. Now let me show you the account that I have created. As I have mentioned on my YouTube channel that I will show you a pink card CashApp account. So here it is. You can see that the card is pink. This is called pink card CashApp account. This is one of the new method which is working right now. So if you want to buy this kind of account, then you can contact me on my Instagram or WhatsApp. And in case if you want to buy the method that how to create this pink card CashApp account, then you can also contact me. I can't upload method directly on YouTube because it's against YouTube community guidelines strikes. YouTube has deleted many videos of me about it, so that's why I am not gonna upload it. I can't risk my channel. And if you want to buy this method, then I will sell it to you because it's a private method. We can't release it publicly, so you have to contact me to buy that. I will give my social media links on the screen. You can just follow them and contact me. Come to me and I will show you how you can do it. Here you can see that the CashApp Bitcoin option is also working in this account, means you can just directly withdraw your money into your Bitcoin account. Okay, so this one is also an advantage for you. You can just use this. I am not recording this video directly via screen recorder because the CashApp security doesn't allow to record everything which is on the screen. So that's why I am recording it by phone's camera. Here you can see it's my balance, and let me show you the other details. You can just contact me to buy this kind of account. Now let me show you the other account. It's on my second phone. It's a simple account that you want. It's not a pink card CashApp account, but everything is in stock. You can buy anything from me. It's with transaction details. You can check the activity. I have done a lot of transactions in it. Okay, so here are the details. Okay, thank you so much friends for watching my video. You can just contact me to buy account for you. I will provide you in very good price. Thank you so much.